Stop scrolling right now if you actually care about your garden, because your plants are being eaten alive while you sleep, and the solution you are using right now might actually be killing them faster. Every single night, a hidden, microscopic army of thrips, caterpillars, and beetles destroys your hard work. Within 24 hours, they can turn your prize-winning tomato plants and beautiful roses into a dead brown skeleton. You see the damage and you panic. You grab that bottle of neem oil or you mix up some internet DIY dish soap, right? Well, here is the brutal truth. You are wasting your time. Neem oil is too weak for a heavy attack, and that dish soap, it acts like a magnifying glass under the hot sun, literally cooking and scorching your plant's sensitive leaves. You aren't saving your garden, you are accidentally destroying it. But thousands of master gardeners across America are secretly using a weapon so powerful it paralyzes pests on the very first bite. It's called Captain Jack's Deadbug Brew. But wait, before you buy it, you need to stop, because if you spray this product the wrong way, you could face a gardening disaster, kill your local ecosystem, and ruin your soil. Today, we're exposing the wild science, the honest pros, the ugly cons, and the exact method to use this liquid gold safely. Did you know that the secret inside this bottle was discovered by pure accident in 1982 inside an abandoned rum distillery in the Caribbean islands? A scientist noticed a rare soil bacterium growing there called Saccharopolyspora spinosa, and from it they extracted a compound named Spinosad. This isn't a chemical pesticide, it's a biological weapon. How does it work? Spinosad is a brutal neurotoxin, but only for insects. The exact moment a caterpillar or a thrip takes a single bite of a leaf sprayed with this brew, the Spinosad hijacks their central nervous system. It forces their muscles to twitch uncontrollably. Their jaws freeze shut within 2 hours, and they stop feeding instantly. They spend the next 48 hours completely paralyzed until they drop off your plant dead. Once they touch it, there is absolutely zero escape. Let's talk about the raw, unedited truth, the pros and cons. The absolute biggest pro is that this deadly weapon is 100% OMRI listed for organic gardening. It is so safe for humans that you can spray your tomatoes, strawberries, and lettuce and eat them the very next day. There is no toxic chemical residue or horrible synthetic smell. Plus, it destroys thrips, the ghosts of the garden that are immune to almost everything else. But here come the cons. First, it does not kill bugs instantly on contact. They stay on the leaf for days while they are paralyzing, which scares a lot of beginners into thinking the product failed. Second, Captain Jack's is completely useless against aphids, whiteflies, and scale insects. Those bugs drink sap from the inside and bypass the Spinosad completely. If your garden is covered in aphids, this bottle is just a $20 paperweight. To get your money's worth, never buy the ready-to-use bottle. It is a total ripoff. You need the concentrate. Here's the exact formula used by expert growers. Mix exactly 2 fluid ounces of Captain Jack's concentrate per 1 gallon of clean water. That is roughly 4 tablespoons. Shake it violently for 30 seconds before spraying. When you apply it, don't just spray the top of the leaves. Pests hide underneath the foliage in the dark shadows. You must flip your sprayer nozzle upside down and blast the underside of every single leaf until it is dripping wet. Now, for the most critical warning of the video. Spinosad is highly toxic and 100% fatal to honeybees and bumblebees when it's wet. If you spray this in the morning or afternoon while bees are active, you will wipe out your local bee population. No bees means no fruits or vegetables. But there is a brilliant loophole. Spinosad is only toxic to bees while it's liquid. The second it dries, it becomes perfectly harmless. So here's your ironclad rule. Never spray this product in the morning. Always apply Captain Jack's Deadbug Brew in the late evening, right at dusk when the sun is going down. The brew will kill the nocturnal pests all night, and by morning it will be bone dry and safe for the bees. Also, check your weather app. If it rains within 24 hours, it washes away into the soil, completely wasting your money. Prices in the US can be a retail trap. Don't buy it at boutique nurseries for $35. Check big box stores like the Home Depot, Lowe's, Tractor Supply, or Walmart. The 32-ounce ready-to-use spray costs about $10 to $15, while the 16-ounce concentrate sits right between $18 and $25. For the absolute lowest price, Amazon is almost always the winner. Final verdict: if you have thrips, caterpillars, or beetles destroying your organic crops, this is a definitive yes. It is the safest, most lethal product on the market today. I have placed the direct Amazon links in the description box below, so you can check the live price right now. Which specific bug is causing you nightmares? Drop a comment below with your US state, and let's fight back together. Smash that like button, share this with a friend, and subscribe for the most honest, no-nonsense gardening guides on YouTube. Thanks for watching, protect those bees, and happy gardening.